Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I'd like to talk to you about a perennial herb called licorice root. And it's been prized for its nutritious and health properties for centuries. Now, this is likely because it's one of the most extensively researched herbs and contains a wide variety of polyphenols, including flavonoids. In their natural state, these polyphenols contain not only antioxidant properties, but also other health-supporting and adaptogenic properties that offer support for congestion, digestion, women's hormonal health, stress management, cellular health, and even weight management. While licorice is available around the world in many organic varieties, it is extremely uncommon to find a source that's been produced to achieve the ultimate biodynamic certification. I consider biodynamic certification to be a step above organic standards because biodynamic farmers help build a diverse and balanced ecosystem within their farms to improve the quality of their soil. This in turn enhances the nutrition of the food or ingredients being grown there. Now, to provide you with even greater health benefits, we've taken our certified Demeter biodynamic licorice to an even higher bioavailability level with fermentation. Why? Because fermenting the licorice helps to increase its bioavailability, which in turn helps your body better absorb all the benefits for your overall health. Now, as a result of this fermentation, our objective third-party testing has shown concentration increases of 20 licorice polyphenols, such as quercetin, and conversions of 12 additional compounds into their more active bioavailable forms. Now, this process provides increased antioxidant activity of the fermented biodynamic relative to the unfermented biodynamic licorice. Now, with a wide variety of health benefits, you can experience the biodynamic fermentation combination in the first ever biodynamic organic fermented licorice chewable tablet to help you and your family take control of your health.